Okay. So I want to like share a breakdown of this goods trade. I took during NFP or before NFP and during NFP. But NFP didn't even like move like this week, like the week that NFP week it was too small. Like I was even like, okay, I feel like it's because Trump has like dumped the whole market, yeah. So I felt maybe that's what like affected it. I don't know. I don't really do technicals that much. Is it fundamentals rather? I don't really do fundamentals that much. And I think I should like pay more attention to it. But anyways, let's leave that motherfucker. Let me give a breakdown of this baby, this fucked up metal gold. Let's go. So first of all, one, you have to like build what are they calling it? You have to like build a story. So before I trade, I basically like want to like know what's going on in the higher time frames. Then after like I know what's going on in the higher time frames, I want to like build my story to the lower time frames and basically like find an entry or something like that. But anyways, with that in mind, let's go over to. I wanted to select weekly, but oof, yeah, so this shit candle guy. So, anyways, I have this particular point that I was looking at or looking for like more dumping to like this particular point, then daily. And I also like give like the main reason why I took what are they calling it? The gold sales initially. Or okay. I was like I'll basically like explain why I took the gold sales. So add something around here, then it goes to like H4. So again, my trading view was is expired. So I think we'll be working from this particular region where this what they call a line starts towards this particular point here. So let's pay attention to like these two highs here. This was the main reason why I took the what they call it this point here. Aside the fact that okay, cool, I have this D1 demand zone here, which I was expecting price to like come to this D1 demand zone. I was expecting like price like come towards this particular region and to probably like give me an entry or something. Okay, cool. Understand that okay, cool. There's this D1 demand zone, but the main reason that I gave like full on confidence that okay, cool, price is coming towards this demand zone is because of this high. Yeah. I don't know. Like I said, my trading view was is expired, yeah. So like I had this high, I had this equal high, yeah. In H4, it got broken. Like this is what I'm talking about. This particular high, yeah. In H4, it got broken. But when I checked, because I used to like use since my credit visa expired, yeah, I used to like use my MT5 to check what are they calling it for to check H6 and H8. Yeah. If you go to H8 here, you see that okay, cool. This particular point that broke here, it didn't break, it wicked. Like there was I don't know if it's in M3. Cool. M3 is even like showing something like way better than M4. But if you check like H8 and H6, there was like price went here, created like there's this big pushback down. Price failed to break this particular high in H4 and H8 and H6. Don't forget, yeah. So there was like that big week here, and once I saw that big week, and I was like, okay, cool. Price literally like has no intention of it has shown that okay, cool. It doesn't have any intention of pushing forward. The main reason like that gave me like the biggest confirmation that okay, cool. Price is no longer buying was this what are they calling it H1 break. So in those time frames, price came weak to this particular top, and it broke here. It broke this particular point actually. So if you're looking, okay, cool. Like where do I want to like enter? What are they calling it? Where do I want to like sell from or buy from? And this was the first initial sell. I did miss the sell just because of one or two things, but I'll still like explain. It's more gold is very fucked up here actually, like very fucking fucked up here. So like I did select this particular what are they calling OB? Yeah, this zone here. Or some people ask why didn't I go higher? It was maybe like somewhere around this region. So the thing that what are they calling it? Someone tells me, yeah, chat with Max, yeah. That's like the person's name. It's something that candlesticks are a representation of price, yeah. So the only way you can see the inputs and what are they calling the exportation and importation or whatever the fuck is it input or output like what are they call it? For instance, USD now, yeah. The only way you can like see how if USD exported or imported is through price, yeah. And candlestick is a valid representation of price. If I say a dump from this particular point, yeah, maybe like okay, cool. There was like major activities going on in USD, in gold, like yeah, people are like selling more gold. You get that's why like all this dump happen. This buy, maybe like there was too much input on USD, whatever the fuck is coming in. But yeah, let's just leave here. So let's just leave that aside. I don't like go full on that mode, yeah. But if you can see here, this particular low that's here, yeah. Price came down, failed to break here. Obviously, like it's even like okay, cool. Let me go to like M30, M15. Price came down, yeah. Then there's this consolidation, there's this pushback up, consolidated pushback down. Here is this particular point where I'm selling from here. Sorry. This particular point where I'm selling from, you can see like all these big ass moves here originated from this motherfucker here. So like okay, cool. This is like the particular point where I'm paying like more attention to. And well, if you want to actually like catch these sales, there's something like gold does always. Gold goes for liquidity. Like gold's major purpose in life, its major ambition in life is to fuck you up and go your way. So if you want to like trade gold, yeah, if you want to like trade gold, yeah, the first thing you need to like observe here is you have to wait patiently for price to like reach where you want to like sell or buy from. Grab liquidity off that particular sell or buy. Wait for a confirmation. The confirmation is like either a strong pullback from that particular highs or kiniko, whatever the fuck. So assuming that okay, cool, I wanted to like enter from this particular region. Not here. Calm down. Assuming that I wanted to like enter from this particular region, yeah. But I told you that I didn't enter from here. As you can see, there's a what do they call it? A big ass rejection here. Once I've seen like this rejection, assuming like I entered off here, but I didn't. I don't know what the fuck happened to me that day, but I didn't even like have like an eye to trade gold that fucking particular day. So there's this big rejection here, and normally in this place should be a sell. So price came here, sold towards this particular region. Okay, actually sold towards this particular region, then push back up. Okay, cool. So I took, like I said initially, I took a loss here. I took a loss from somewhere here. My first entry was here. I thought gold would sell from here. That was like my first point because like I had from here now I have 2 points here. You see that? Sorry, not here actually. This place has small inefficiency. This particular top. Sorry, because this place has like inefficiency. I knew that okay, cool. Price will not come here. This particular top because this particular top has not been mitigated. As you can see, like there's this small shit here. Like it's called an inefficiency. So price hasn't like mitigated that particular top, this particular side. Or price has not touched. Sorry, I'm using the word mitigated. Price has not touched in like has not entered into this particular region. So like I'm not even like looking for. I was not looking for sales here. I was looking for sales here. So I took a loss here, but there's something that I didn't look out here. I didn't look out for. You see this particular region. This particular region I was supposed to sell from here or here. You see here has not been like I had 2 points actually. I will even lie to you. I had 2 points to sell from. This point that price was taken from, and this what are they calling it? This point that has little inefficiency for price to confuse. The main reason I had confidence to take from here. Let me show you. Okay, cool. It's because price came here, weak. Yeah. So I entered this low here. Maybe like my SL will be something around here. But price took me out because okay, cool. Once price took me out, I was aiming next for this particular point here. So, anyways, let's leave. Okay, let's leave there. So I was aiming for this particular point again. So yeah, but the thing is that the thing I fail to understand that okay, cool. Even the week happened, like I thought price would actually sell from here because like it's it's not it's weak from everywhere actually. It's weak from everywhere. So anyways, yeah, that's just it. So coming towards this particular region again, it was of M15 and M30. So once M30 closed, I entered from here. So what are they calling it? I had no, I used sorry, I didn't use that. I used this actually. This was my point of interest, not that one. This was my point of interest. So after price has taken me out here, price came towards this particular region, weaked. Yeah, because obviously there's still like a demand here that price has not like mitigated, and obviously it came to like clear all the side. And there's something here when price was like pushing down from this particular region. I know that okay, cool. Most people we enter like find somewhere and enter, but if you can see this particular point here, price is too efficient here. Like it's breaks, retest, breaks, retest, breaks, retest, breaks, retest, breaks, retest. Price was too fucking efficient here, guy. Like it was too efficient here. So that's why I didn't even like my first entry here. That's why I didn't even like plan to take to take my demand off here. That's why like I took off this particular top side and price wicked and it took me out. But cool. The main reason I didn't take it was price was too efficient here, guy. So like normally if price is very efficient in the particular region, there's fucking liquidity at the top, guy. So I was like, okay, cool. Maybe price will grab here, then push back down. But nah, it took me out anyways. It came towards this spot and wicked. Once I saw this wick, I was like, so I dumped from here. According to one girl on Twitter, she was like, dump that fucking metal. So I dumped this metal like crazy, yeah. After this the close of this blue candle, I dumped the fuck out of it, guy. I had like a 10, 15 pips SL or something. Let me say 30. Is it 30? It's supposed to be 30. 40, 50 actually. Something around there. Yeah. So I was correct actually. I know my SL was on that particular top. So I fucking dumped that metal. Then I sold towards this particular region. But this is normally 1 to 10. But one of my fucked up friend, Mena, I don't know if you watch this shit, but fuck you guys. Man, I was like, I should take partials, bro. Like, I wanted, okay, cool. My initial aim was here, but I kind of like reduced to like this low. So I wanted like a 1:7, bro, which is normally I was using a 5K account. 1:7 is roughly like let's say 350 USD. You get, but the whole total like what are they calling it? Money like accumulated from like this trade was roughly like, is it 200 or 240? 240 ish. Was approaching. It was very close to 300. 300. I don't think it was 240. Let me check. Just give me like 1 second. Let me check. Pam, 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 pam. Don't mind me, Sha. I'm like I usually like play phone and fucking fucked up idiots. Fuck. Open. So while I wait for my prop to open, yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I just checked. I made roughly like 260, 270. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that's like the fucked up breakdown of everything. But that's just it actually. But assuming like I held like towards this particular region. This is like a fucking original thing, guy. This is almost what are they, 500 years, guy. But it's all good. It's all good, my niggas. It's all good. Anyway, that's like the whole breakdown of USD CAD. Peace. I'll do that trade breakdown next week, and hopefully, I want to like do something here. I want to like Okay, so I forgot what I was saying. Oh, okay, cool. This is normally okay. I said I wanted to like probably like start up uh tutorials. I don't know, maybe from the beginner phase, something like what is another block, what's it demand zone, what's the supply zone, how to like identify them, how to like what to look for when you are trading, how to like build your analysis from the higher to lower, clinical, all those stuff. I'll probably like start, but for now, I just want to like be doing all these fundamental breakdowns and shit. So, but it's all good, Sha. Anyways, same time next week, I guess. Peace.